you can see that we have the National Youth Council, which is constituted. It's supposed to hold elections. And I feel, Your Excellency, the youth feel that they have not been able for a long time to represent their grievances because they are not able to elect their leaders directly. And this goes back even to the University Amendment Act, which introduced the delegate system, which I feel that the universities have found a way to maneuver so that they make sure that the students who are elected are students who they able to maneuver and manipulate. Your Excellency, finally, on the issue of branding, the projects that our members of parliament and all other people has the aspect of when the projects are complete, people tend to brand their names on these projects. Your Excellency, these projects are financed by taxpayers, and it is the request of the young people and the youth that when it comes to branding, we would rather have these projects branded that they have been financed by the Kenyan taxpayer. I will leave it at that, Your Excellency, and thank you very much. But of course, there's the issue of mental health. I appreciate we cannot exhaust all these things in one sitting, but I'm looking forward to more engagements in other platforms. Thank you very much, and I'll leave it at that.
Thank you. The final question of the three ex-councillor.
Good evening, everyone. You can hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
My first request to the host and the co-host, please do not give the elected people the chance to speak, one of them a lion. You can hear me or someone? Can you set the time? Elected MPs, any elected official should not take this chance apart from the president. So thank you very much for the time. I have two things more. I don't want to repeat a lot of things.
In the meantime, I just want to address the president.
Number one,
Mr. President, sisi watakujua huyu askari amekuwa kiwa watu kwa maandamano atashikwa siku gani? Kwa vile amekuwa kiroho freely. Tangu last month amekuwa to all over the city. Tulikuwa tunakujua atashikwa siku gani? Kwa vile ilikuwa inasemekana amekuwa hivyo tangu kitambo na sio wa kwanza. You just need answers about him. Thank you.
Okay, he will answer that plus Councillor. Councillor, finish, please. Thank you.
Yeah, my question is to the president. Why is it that the things you're asking about today are not new things? They're things you did promise in your campaign, and the other time you're being played with videos of you saying the same thing. You had to find a way of not listening to those videos. The one thing that you promised us, one of them is corruption. Your people around you, you've addressed this one. You can't tell me out of the 100 people you have around you, 90% are corrupt or have story of corruption, and you are doing nothing about it. I'm a medic by profession, and the issue of NHIF, which is moving now to shift. I read the last 2 days of bill of millions, 300 millions, another 900 million today, disappearing to wrong or fake claims. I'm wondering if the change from NHIF to shift, will it improve or just another way to get more money for people around your circle to buy houses, buy big cars, and laugh at us? Now, Mr. President,
you're here. Those are about two questions. Now let's have the president answer. We don't have a lot of time. We have not we need to ask questions to the president. Please let the president respond to that. If we get a chance, another chance, we'll leave those for that.
Very much. Thank you very much, good people. Let me start with the gentleman. I didn't get his name from Mosul. And that gentleman says we have too many lies flying all over the place. Let me just put it clearly. So many people have spread this story about William Ruto not telling the truth or making fake promises. I made a commitment to the people of Kenya that there will be a hustler fund. Today, there is a hustler fund that takes care of 2 million Kenyans. I made a commitment to the people of Kenya that fertilizer is going to come down. It has come down from 7,000 to 2,500. I made a commitment to the people of Kenya that we will have a housing program. Today, 103,000 houses are being built. with 160,000 young people, real people, engineers, architects, quality surveyors, plumbers, technicians working. I made a commitment to the people of Kenya that we are going to sort out matters in the education sector. Today, we have hired the highest number of teachers in Kenyan history. In one time, 56,000 teachers. I made a commitment that I am going to sort out the mess that was in our universities. Today, ask any vice chancellor. With our new funding model, we have sorted out the challenge that was there in our universities. Today, lecturers are being paid. No university today is about to close down. When I came into office, most universities were teetering on being closed because of debts. I made a commitment to the people of Kenya that I am going to implement universal health coverage. Today, as I talk to you, we have 100,000 community health promoters in every village in Kenya that I pay, that I have equipped to begin the journey towards universal health coverage. As I talk to you today, there are 4 pieces of legislation that we have implemented, that we have universal health coverage. I can go on, and I can tell you, every commitment that I made, I said I am going to appoint the judges that were not there, I did. I said I'm going to operationalize the fund for the police, independent police, I did. I said I am going to enhance the budget of the judiciary, I did. You know, when people want to conveniently say a few things that propagate a certain narrative, it is easy. But let me leave that there. Let me go back to the Mosop Kurgum story. I want to tell you, my good brother, we have old roads in Kenya. In fact, the budget, the debt we have on roads is 910 billion. Because we rolled out a program that we didn't have money to do. It is what is troubling me now. It is why many people are asking me, why are you outside the country? I went to China, for example, and I got 40 billion shillings to do at least 8 roads that were stalled. I have come back from the US, and we have had a consultation, and we are getting money to be able to roll out some of our roads, courtesy of concessional funding from the World Bank. I have had conversations with the president of Germany, and they are giving us money under the same program for us to be able to meet some